Good morning, guys, and welcome to a new video. Today we are doing a little different video of what we have been doing before. What are we going to do?
We are on the way to Jönköping to the Custom Motor Show 2026.
Yeah, it's the Northern Europe's biggest car event. I just read it on the way here. It was like an ad. And what are we going to do there?
We're going to check out some cars, and hopefully they're mostly like the custom-made cars, like old cars that they custom
built,
yeah,
converted,
bigger motors and stuff like that. But they're going to be a little bit EVs as well. And I know that this Ford Mustang, an old from I think 60s or 70s, that they have custom made to an EV and used Tesla Model 3 battery and the motor. That's going to be interesting to see how they fixed everything and how does it look like inside.
Yeah, they've converted it to a electric car now instead.
Yeah.
So that's going to be fun. Isn't there also a Saab that they have converted? But
yeah,
it's not going to be there. We don't know.
I don't know. Hopefully, maybe it's a Saab 93.
A cab, right?
Yeah, and convertible.
Yeah, convertible. Yeah.
So if it would, I love the Saab convertibles. It's one of my favorite cars ever.
We have actually had one.
Yeah, we had one for 5-7 years ago.
But not an electric one. We had a normal one. But it's going to be fun to see. We also got press tickets. So that means that we can film everything inside, and I don't know if we can go like backstage. We have actually no idea. We've never been there. So
yeah, it's going to be interesting. So let's see what's going to happen. So we have been driving for 2.5 hours now, and when we started in Stockholm, Sweden, then it was raining a lot, but now the sun is coming up.
As you can see, it's a little bit better here now.
Yeah.
You can see a little bit of blue sky.
So it's going to be nice, but we know that we're going to go back tonight to Stockholm again, and it's going to rain all day and all night there. But it's going to be nice here in Jönköping. It's
better weather down here.
Yeah, and it's 350 kilometers from Stockholm to Jönköping, so we have to charge one time as well because it's cold outside.
Yeah, how many degrees? 5 degrees
right
Celsius.
now,
yeah.
But it has been 3, and so.
In the morning it was really cold. Yeah, but we see you guys later when we go and charge. So in about 2 kilometers we are arriving at our first charge stop. We wanted to go to Gränna. It's how many kilometers? 71 kilometers more, but we only have 28% of battery right now, and it says our car that we have 89 kilometers left and it's 71 to the next, so we were thinking about going off here.
Yeah.
Is it this one?
This is this one, yeah. So we're gonna stop here for 15 minutes and take a toilet break as well.
And then we arrive, probably.
Yeah.
So we just arrived at our first charge stop, but it's so many cars here, so we are gonna wait for 10-15 minutes until the next car is ready. So that's the negative part about having an electric car, that you need to wait sometimes when it's full. So yeah.
Hanging on, walking tall. Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less. Some days are bad, bad at best. I set to thinking I could make something of me, playing every game except the lottery, serving everybody else and told myself I'm free. Misery is a showy state of bad company. Foolish notions, foolish lies, foolish notions, they cut me down to size. You came along and lifted me up. The going got tough, but the tough got some love. Foolish notions, foolish lies, foolish notions that made me wanna cry. Foolish notions, foolish lies, foolish notions. Well, I said goodbye.
So we are still looking for those EVs, but until now we have just seen some Teslas. But we're going to show you some good footage of really cool cars, both old ones and new ones, racing cars, maximum tuned cars. So the Elmia custom car 2026 is really cool place to be if you like cars. It doesn't matter if you like electric or those old ICE vehicles. It's nice to see the history of the car. So stay tuned.
I hear you talking at work to the boys in the gym, talking at the bar till I walk in. Baby, why won't you talk to me? Can't get your tongue when we're talking about what I need.
So we just we got a coupon so we could get some dessert for $4 for 45 Swedish crowns. So we took two cupcakes, and this is the press place. So we got our cards, as you can see here, and my dad right now is on the toilet, and in about, we can see here, so in about 45 minutes they're gonna be drifting outside, so we're gonna go and check it out. But you get really tired, it's so many people here, thousands and thousands of people here, so it's pretty rough to get good film clips, but also walk around, your head, you get drained. But in around 45 minutes they're gonna be drifting outside some cool cars, so we're gonna go and check it out. But we really needed this cupcake because it's so you need the sugar because it's so many people here.
Say what you will at the hardware store. Don't your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Think you're the silent type, but that ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak, so talk to me. Yap on the phone with your daddy till dawn. Fishing with your buddies, going on and on and on. Those fish hear more than me. Cat gets your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Think you're the silent type. That ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak. Think you're the silent type. That ain't what I like. I want a man to keep me company and talk to me.
So we are on the way home after this event in Jönköping.
Yeah, we were there about, I think, 3-4 hours. 4
Yes.
hours, probably 4 hours, yeah. It was tiring. Many people, as I said before, when we were eating some cupcakes.
Yes, and we hope that there will be much more custom-made EVs. I've read about it that last year and year before that there were some of cars that had they had changed it to the EV motors, but this year we had hard time to
It was
find.
0 EVs.
Yeah,
The only EV was the Cybertruck and just like a Tesla or two.
yeah,
But that was the only EVs. No, outside we found some
Yeah. rally EVs.
Yeah.
So that was really nice.
But that's the only one. It was no EVs. It was
Yeah.
only them. But
Otherwise, it was really nice to see those cars, both old cars and like more newer cars. Even the old brand Saab had some cars there.
yeah, that was fun.
Yeah.
The Swedish brand.
And then we were outside and looked for the
They were drifting.
drifting. Yeah, so
Yeah.
that was really cool to see.
It's so like high noise. It was
Yeah.
so like when they like were driving and the rev limit, it was like my ears were. I got so like it was so high pitched.
Yeah,
So, but it was really cool. That was one of my favorite part of this day.
absolutely. And now it's really nice to sit in an EV back home. It's
Yeah,
quiet.
Yeah, it's quiet.
And but it was a really nice experience to do the custom motor show in Jönköping 2026. So I recommend it to
Of course.
if you like
next
cars.
year.
Yeah, next year. Yeah.
Go there. But I think we're done with this video. We are only going home now. It's almost 3 hours back home.
Yeah. One charging stop, and
Yeah.
see you on next video.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye bye.